How the Bitcoin market is currently positioned suggests a mix of excitement and caution. The anticipation of a potential spot ETF approval has led to a significant amount of buying activity. Major institutions, including BlackRock, have filed for Bitcoin ETFs, creating a buzz and contributing to a sustained uptrend. The fear of missing out, FOMO, has kept short sellers at bay, while long-term investors continue to accumulate, driven by the belief that institutional players are quietly amassing Bitcoin behind the scenes. However, a seasoned analyst raises a noteworthy concern. The fear is that once the spot ETF is approved, the market might experience an initial surge, resulting in a one-day spike. Surprisingly, this surge could mark a short-term top, causing a subsequent sell-off, potentially bringing Bitcoin back to the low $30,000s. The analogy drawn here is reminiscent of the classic market adage, buy the rumor, sell the news. In other words, the extensive buying leading up to the ETF approval could culminate in a sell-off once the news is officially announced. Analyzing Bitcoin's chart patterns, the analyst points out a crucial level around $31,000 to $32,000. During the bull market, this level acted as support, with Bitcoin repeatedly bouncing off it until a breakout to $65,000. However, once breached to the downside, this level transformed into resistance. The recent surge to $38,000 has stalled around this resistance-turn-support zone. A daily close above $38,000 is seen as a bullish signal, potentially propelling Bitcoin to the next level around $45,000 to $48,000. Conversely, a break below $36,500 to $36,300 could trigger caution, signaling a shift in the current momentum. The analyst adopts a level-driven approach, viewing market movements through a technical lens. When Bitcoin broke above the $30,000 range, it became a buying opportunity upon retracement. Resistance turned support, creating a strategic entry point. However, the analyst acknowledges the possibility of downside risks, particularly if there's a significant equity market sell-off. A severe recession, coupled with high inflation and limitations on the Federal Reserve's ability to lower interest rates, could potentially lead to Bitcoin revisiting lower levels, such as $15,700, $12,000, or even $10,000. The current positioning of the analyst's portfolio is mostly neutral, with a small bearish exposure anticipating a potential failure around the $48,000 to $50,000 level. The analyst, however, emphasizes being a swing trader, ready to adapt to changing market conditions. In the long run, there's a bullish outlook on Bitcoin, but the focus remains on navigating interim price levels. The call to action is to watch for a daily close above $38,000 for a potential upward move and to exercise caution if support around $36,500 is breached. As the discussion unfolds, the talk shifts to the broader market dynamics. Bitcoin's recent movements are compared to those of the S&P 500, highlighting instances where Bitcoin bottomed and rallied when the S&P was selling off. Notably, the latest upswing in Bitcoin appears correlated with a general risk-on sentiment in the S&P 500. The analyst acknowledges that this correlation might be influenced by the prevailing risk appetite, with even altcoins experiencing substantial rallies. The narrative suggests that Bitcoin, despite its decentralized nature, is not immune to broader market sentiments and can diverge from a traditional risk-on asset classification. The conversation turns towards the much-anticipated ETF approval. The spotlight is on the potential impact of a spot ETF, with institutions like BlackRock and Grayscale in the mix. A survey indicating that 77% of financial advisors are eagerly awaiting the ETF's approval underscores the industry's keen interest. However, the analyst maintains a cautious stance, highlighting potential hurdles such as regulatory intervention or delays related to ongoing issues with exchanges like Binance. The uncertain nature of external factors prompts a reminder that no investment scenario is foolproof, and potential risks should be factored into decision-making. In a twist of intrigue, attention shifts to a mysterious whale known as 1KE, holding over $450 million in Bitcoin. Speculation arises regarding the whale's identity and its potential connection to crypto exchanges or ETF approval strategies. The community engages in various theories, but the whale remains elusive, adding an element of mystery to the ongoing crypto narrative. A surprising development surfaces as a dormant whale, inactive for over 4 years, suddenly awakens and makes a significant move, tossing over 3,600 bitcoins into the market. The profitable power nap results in a windfall of nearly $37 million. The narrative draws parallels between such whale movements and superhero origin stories, portraying them as unexpected yet impactful players in the crypto space. The discussion concludes with a broader perspective on the current state of the crypto market. The upcoming Bitcoin halving event is highlighted as a potential catalyst, with analysts predicting a surge towards the $40,000 mark. The excitement surrounding the spot ETF approval, coupled with technical analyses pointing to potential price levels, sets the stage for a dynamic period in the crypto world. As everyday Americans follow this insightful discussion, the call for engagement is made. Leave a comment above, sharing your thoughts on the current state of the crypto market, ETF expectations, and the mysterious whale's role in this unfolding narrative. In the midst of the crypto roller coaster, it's essential to acknowledge that while analysis provides valuable insights, the market remains unpredictable. Risk management and a keen awareness of potential scenarios are crucial for investors in navigating the dynamic landscape of cryptocurrencies. Disclaimer: the content provided here is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Cryptocurrency investments carry inherent risks, and individuals should conduct thorough research and consider their risk tolerance before making investment decisions.
Before you go, help us by smashing that YouTube like button. And subscribe to this channel, so you won't miss any of our videos. This shows YouTube algorithm that you value our information. And it helps us spread the message. Sharing is caring.